So, Minuka say, a Chief Justice, Madam Gertrude Torkonoo, officially, she has been sacked from a position as the Chief Justice of Ghana. Ama Minuka say, Pobia, see, I'm about filling that particular position. I don't know if someone will tell me, say, on one in Crawford, now, or most Supreme Court, and also almost so original man or no. We don't know the real details of it. But then the ultimate thing is that she's no longer in position. Now, in some way, there's something which is also going on social media, trending on social media, which is very shocking because immediately she was sacked. And I did be a buy and I'm able to interfere. So I say 5 sins of a Chief Justice, Madam Gertrude Torkonoo. Now remember, I said this whole 5 sins, 10 sins, it started from 2023 when King Japan wanted to be a flag bearer, or contested by Omia, and yet 10 sins of King Japan boy. Now ni Brandy Champon so eka so ye flag bearer, and yet another 10 sins of Brandy Champon bebo. Sisi ano Madam Gertrude Torkonoo yini few ama focus woman moon dini ye onye she in a political way chant and yes so na boom 5 sins of a year Madam Gertrude Torkonoo. Into share here there's a but share see key findings behind Chief Justice Torkonoo removal. Number 1, unlawful expenditure of public funds. The committee held that the Chief Justice caused the Judicial Service to pay travel expenses for her husband and children during private holiday trips in 2023, including per diem allowances. This, the report stated, was an unavoidable and reckless dissipation of public funds. Chief Justice, number 1, guilty charge 1. Holidays are all kono. Onene yere, ene nemba, ene nikunu. Omuko holidays nye problem. Bese states no. Edi yesika betuyama ono ne yere ne nemba. Omo traveling expenses. So muntu kwa abruchi nkwaji omeni mkoda hotel. Na se skananka ebitimi ebibi yede man as a per diem no eno sa no. We waste state niska and also our abusing the power in office. Number 2, abuse of discretionary power. The committee found that handling of the transfer of one of Mr. Baden breached Article 296 clause A and B of the Constitution, describing the act as misbehavior. Anybody said, Papa Bia, near find Mr. Baden, the transfer. The we are a Chief Justice handle a abuse of power. 3, interference in judiciary appointments. Any person judiciary appointments, so not Chief Justice Nisa for you. The report also noted that she sought to bypass the established process for nominating justices of the Supreme Court, contrary to the precedent set in Ghana Bar Association case. The committee concluded this amounted to misbehavior. Anybody said Chief Justice I best select you or Supreme Court no anka ye or say the normal procedure and I said ye through the processes the Ghana Bar Association, the GBA, they are used to it. But man fa na fa sa processing or Chief Justice and fa one fa ne ho anfa sa processes to actually take someone or actually choose a Chief Justice and appoint a justice at the Supreme Court. Minuka says so no, there's another one what I say or say 5 sins of Madam Gertrude Torkonoo. It's yedi kan ka 3 ne da. Okay, but what number 4 now also allegations of false keeping records. And now number 5 near financial misconduct. So and then I'm from Bebre 5 sins of Madam Gertrude Torkonoo. Bonia waye. But anyway, one political analyst and also essentially legal expert also had or no the on another between saying more. He indeed have a very different and interesting take about this whole issue.
Should we go by the commentary that we shouldn't let it happen, but it has happened?
Roland, first of all, let me say that I would disagree with anybody that says that it should be difficult to remove a Chief Justice.
So why not?
It should be very easy. It should be very easy to remove a president, and it should be very easy to remove a Speaker of Parliament. Either than that, we would have a recalcitrant Chief Justice. Very difficult, would destroy our judiciary. When this matter started, and I'm very happy you quoted Afenyo. Why wouldn't Afenyo be sad? Under the able leadership of Chief Justice Torkonoo, he could go to court 12 o'clock, by 3 o'clock, he has an answer. So for such people, it is right that they mourn. And I don't want to take him serious. Look, if there has been any Chief Justice who has disrespected the laws of the land, who has been so pompous, who has been so disrespectful, I'm sure, go and get the proceedings, what took place at the committee level, and read her behavior before the committee members. The insults, the yelling, the sort of behavior the Chief Justice put up, it will marvel you. And I'm very surprised anyway, they said they were holding it in camera. If the committee members would do this country a great service by just exposing 0.5% of the Chief Justice, the removed Chief Justice actions, I'm telling you, people will chase it out. Look, at a point, you know, she came to do a press conference. You remember that issue? And told the entire country that she had no clue about the petition. The Chief Justice, under cross-examination, herself admitted that she had the petition. Where are we now? Now you have been removed as a Chief Justice, and not just a Chief Justice, but also a Justice of the Supreme Court. Really? And by extension, someone can even take
She can no more be on the Supreme Court?
No, she has no business. But now if there are files there, she go and pick it. And if you don't take it, they can even extend it to debar you. Maybe, because this is misbehavior. You know, Roland, one of the things that I always get sad about is the fact that people treat the petitioner, Daniel Ofori, as a rag. What are we talking about? Do people know Mr. Daniel Ofori?
One of the richest Ghanaians.
You, Ghana Stock Exchange. He's the single most, I mean, he is the largest investor in our stock exchange. MTN, go to SIC, go to Ghana Commercial Bank, Bank. Between you and Mr. Ofori, who has this country at heart?
No, but who can even manipulate Mr. Daniel Ofori?
Daniel Ofori. Because they don't know him. People think that he's just a bystander. That they went and pulled him and said, oh, go and get Madame Torkonoo out. Let me say, President Mahama has behaved within the laws of the land. And I'm happy that a day after his decision, the general view out there is that, yes, though he's a communicator and a lawyer, he has rather behaved within the Constitution. And as a citizen of this country, all that I expect from my presidents is to behave within the Constitution. Once they do that, that is all. And I'm very happy that if a Chief Justice could travel with the husband and daughter and take from the country per diem when they are not supposed to, then, Mr. President, with this same alacrity and vim and vigor, get your Attorney General to begin to go for all those that have stolen from us. It's very important. We cannot leave it. And I like the vim, the tone that the president... This is what the people of this country are looking for.
Even though they said there is bad precedent, there's been...
Who is that bad precedent? Look,
I've heard lead counsel... Nia equal to senior to...
Of course, if he was the counsel for the removed Chief Justice, if you go to war and you are battled like this, would you come and say there was a fair... but before the committee, he himself was part of those that were apologizing on behalf of the client for that behavior. Go and get a report and you see the sort of person that we were dealing with. You understand? As we speak, the Chief Justice has taken us to ECOWAS court. You remember my rendition on A for task and then what that, Madam, take a cue from it.
All right.
Men of valor, men of conscience advise this woman that, Madam, negotiate it out. He said, no, Imbano. She wouldn't understand.
No what?
Imbano. The Nigerian would say, Imbano. I won't.
Ibano, it's gone.
Gone, eh?
Ibano.
Ibano. No. This one is Obaka.
Oh, there's Imano.
Yeah, this one Ibano. You see, the small Nigerian, the small, you will let my... I nearly married a Nigerian woman, so don't take me for granted.
Okay.